Hey, it's Midthinker here. This is the first video in a while because life was happening to my family and work. So I'm slowly getting back into my routine, and today I'll show you how to assemble a 22-inch Weber Original Kettle. First, go ahead and read the instruction manual so you won't make mistakes like I did while I was making this video, which I'll show you later. And second, find an open spot where you can cut the box open. This way, you will be able to use the box as an assembly area without scratching up your brand new kettle and see all the parts in one spot. Go ahead and slide the butterfly clips on each leg and insert the V-shaped clip inside the tube until the round tab clicks out. Insert the leg into the socket and twist it in until you hear the click from the tab locking into the hole. Please resist the urge to rock the leg back and forth or hammer it in to push the leg in. It may damage the socket. Next is the triangle-shaped shelf/wheel rod. Put the hook into the straight leg. Rotate it around so that the hook faces down. And put the rod through the other two legs. With the kettle still upside down, put the wheel on the rod and gently hammer on the hubcap. You do not need to hammer hard to get this one in. Flip the kettle right side up. Now you can see I made a mistake of putting the legs into the wrong spot. Be sure to put the straight leg on the side of the handle. And go ahead and put the ashtray on. Now put the handle on the lid and make sure you don't over torque the nut. And now you have a fully assembled Weber kettle. There you have it. The assembly was pretty easy and it will take you about 20 minutes total. I'll follow up with the next video on how to cook a steak on this Weber kettle. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to the channel and check out my Instagram handle at Midthinker. Thank you for watching and keep me thinking.